In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this 3D Instagram effect in Adobe Photoshop. Before I begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below and give this tutorial a big thumbs up. Let's open Photoshop. CC, double-click and select this image and hit open. To start this effect, first of all, you need a screenshot of your Instagram page using your mobile phone here. We don't need this gray background, so select the magic eraser tool and erase this gray color. Perfect. Now I need to fill it with sky background. Go to File, select Place Embedded here. Select Sky Image and hit Place. Reposition this sky background and grab it as bottom layer. Now we can add the girl character. For that, you can go to File, Place Embedded. Select this girl character and hit Place. Adjust the position, resize it, with holding Shift and Out buttons in your keyboard. Press Enter. Grab this layer to top layer. Perfect. Now we need to remove the background white color. So select Magic Wand tool and click on white color. Here I need to add some more selections. To holding Shift and hit on unselected areas. Now hit on mask icon to mask this layer to hide the white background. Now hit Ctrl-I to invert this mask. Perfect. Now the time to delete some hair edges. Select this mask, Clear. Right-click and choose. Select and mask option. Here I select on black in view mode. Now brush on hair area and press. OK. Now the time to add some shadow to this character. Select this layer and press Ctrl-G for duplicate the same layer. Now select the bottom layer and press Ctrl-T for transform options. Just grab the layer by holding Control button like this and press Enter now. Time to erase this whole body except legs for shadows. Hit on this layer box by holding Control button. Change the foreground color to black and choose Out. Delete to fill this layer to black color. Hit Ctrl-D to deselect. Here, I need to apply some blur to this layer. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose Ghosting Blur. Here I change the blur value to 6 and press OK. Change the opacity value to 40. Let's see the final result. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.